guys, what's up? This is Anthony. I'm going to show you what we did to make this mount on this Ferarri 458, customizing it to go in the center console. Hope you guys enjoy it, and here's what we did. Alright, guess what showed up? Launch port to charge the iPad mini and the Ferarri, and we got the launch port case that will be used to charge on top of that. Now we got to find a way to convert these into the vehicle. It's not gonna be easy, guys. You know why? Because if it was, everybody would do it.
Knife, bro. You're using epicenters as knife, okay. I thought this was gonna be a wireless charger. So...
It is wireless charging.
No.
Yeah, it is. Well, that's because the iPad sits in it, so it can become a wireless charge.
It isn't a wireless charger because it's being charged by this.
No, I know, no. This is the wireless, which needs to connect to the thing. Once you have this, your tablet's wireless. Once you plug it in like that.
Is it magnetized? Yeah. So. Now I gotta find a way to mount it.
That's gonna be fun. That's only if you want to use it in the house.
No, this is a house piece.
I know, but it's still 12 volts.
So we gotta convert it. It's not a 12-volt piece.
You know how you can convert it? The people who sell LEDs have the converters.
Oh, look at you.
Cool, we'll work on this. I'll show you guys some more of that later. But it's for the Ferarri. It's a band and everything.
So, it already works, it already stays in there, but I added these just for extra support.
How are you gonna bolt it on?
Or not, that's the thing.
Are you gonna glue it on?
It's a Ferarri, I don't want to make holes. It grabs in by pressure, and these are going to be cables how you take to the car. So, if you ever want to remove this, you can't. Because we don't know how long an iPad's gonna be in, you know?
Yeah, you know how
and
long.
when it's not in, you can take it off. Maybe something new comes out, and you're gonna need a different mount or something.
I like this. But it doesn't look like it's gonna be that much pressure. But the heat, what is this, a warp?
No.
Alright, you do the cap down. What you got? Can we see it now?
It's on there.
Take it off. Oh, what you guys know about that? So that's gonna be the magnets and the charging system, customized by yours truly.
The customer can take his iPad, now it has a case home, and if he has the same dock, he can install it in his house and charge his iPad and everything, and just goes there in his Ferarri.
Bam! So this Ferarri is like a little bit older, right? What year is this shit?
It's 2012.
Maybe the car needs to be a different ignition? Or should take your case off.
I don't have a case.
Yeah, you do.
Okay.
Okay, alright.
Okay.
Sorry. Really, bro? Is it that sensitive?
The things that you
For the Ferarri. Lower the music though.
Tell my dad that I borrowed his phone. Okay.
Bro, isn't your phone wireless charge? Try to do it without this thing.
Doesn't work, bro.
Huh? Did you try it?
Yeah.
So the Ferrari is not charging right now, but we'll figure it out. Okay, so the part's not working, and he's talking with tech support.
070. Yeah. Yes, sir.
Will they solve it? I don't know. Doesn't look like it. I think they're gonna make us get a piece from some other place, another city. We're gonna drive over there and pick that up.
1438. Yeah. The Black I-Port launch station.
But anyways, we'll wait to see what they say. Keep you informed in a bit. Alright, so right here, Junior's still talking to the tech support, which they gave us a runaround. We got one piece from them, but it went bad, so now we have to give it another piece from them. And good thing Christian didn't leave, because he's still waiting right there, and he's about to pick that up. So this is the second time we're talking to them that we need another RA. That's why you hear Junior saying I talked to somebody else and whatnot.
An RA, he told me he was gonna replace all the parts, but when I got to Fontana to your guys' warehouse, they only replaced one. And I went to a gas station and tried it real quick before I get any further away, and it's still not charging my iPad. I talked to Tom, and then he referred me with Jackie in Fontana.
This is a problem. Jack's here.
No, I just talked to the guy from tech support.
Alright, I'm gonna finish editing and then, see what happens. Any luck with the new one?
It works.
No way!
Yeah.
Thank you, Jeebus. Was it a bad product then?
Yeah.
Bad. It was a bad piece. Alright, so it looks like Junior got the new part all the way from where?
China?
Fontana. Again, Fontana. I remember from now, I remember. But we got it. He tested it. It's working. Thank God. But we are behind. How late are we? 24 hours late?
He doesn't want the car no more. He wants it tomorrow.
Cool. So you see that? Now he's just putting on the last piece, which is the Ferarri piece.
You don't have to wake up early.
The double-sided tape, did you know that you're going to use double-sided tape? Because I'll be accounted for the thickness.
And that's why I'm using it. It's thicker.
Ferrari's going home. The Ferrari is going home. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Man, it was fun doing that job, but a lot of drama goes down when you have a high-end car. But we survived it, we got it fixed, we went all the way to Fontana, replaced it, and now it's time to end this this video. So, deuces, thank you for joining, and maybe next week we'll get you some other options and some other jobs and some other creative deals. So I'll see you guys later. Peace out.